The family of a Northern Kentucky man killed during a fight at a restaurant says it feels like the people responsible are getting off with a slap on the wrist. 9 News reporter Janelle Walton is live in our newsroom with information on the third plea deal in Bryan Stevenson's death. Janelle?
Carol, the victim's father, Bob Stevenson, says the plea deal was the last thing his family wanted. He believes Justin Werner, who was on trial in Louisville for manslaughter in the death of his 26-year-old son, should have not gotten a plea deal. However, the family was also afraid Werner might be acquitted based on testimony from witnesses who saw the fight at Barbara Lee's Kitchen restaurant. 26-year-old Bryan Stevenson was in Louisville for a softball tournament when he got into a fight with Werner and 3 other men 2 years ago. 2 men took plea deals and charges were dropped against a third man. Werner decided to plead guilty to the crime today in exchange for a plea deal that could send him to jail for 3 years. Stevenson's father says his family is in shock. He says the plea deal was not what the family expected. However, Mr. Stevenson says he is relieved Werner was not acquitted. A Commonwealth attorney says there is a chance Werner could also receive probation. He'll learn his fate at his sentencing on June 4th. Carol.
Janelle, thanks for that report.